Friday, Friday, Friday. I love Friday, Friday, Friday. I love Friday, Friday, Friday. Whoa, whoa. Oh, my bad. Sorry, I didn't mean for you guys to see that. That was a little bit personal. But welcome to Critics vs. Haters. It's the Mailman bringing you another movie review. And this movie is controversial. God's Not Dead 2 starring Melissa Joan Hart, Jesse McCabe, and Robin Givens. Even though Robin Givens was in the movie for 5 minutes, she still started in this movie. So with there being a God's Not Dead 2, obviously, there's a God's Not Dead 1. So I suggest you guys go on Netflix and check it out before you go see the movie. Reason being, there is a story in the second one that ties from the first one. And if you're not aware of it, then you're like, well, what did this character come from? So just go check it out. In a lot of movies, the sequel's not usually better than the first one, but this movie was actually a lot better than the first one. The first one had some good points, but there was a disconnect somewhere. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I really love this movie. It's one of my top favorite. It's a Christian movie, yes, I understand that. And a lot of Christian movies, I agree, can be a little bit cheesy, but this one hit home. For one, me being a Christian myself, I've had to deal with certain things that the characters have to deal with the belief, the challenges, and with people not understanding who you are or why you believe what you believe. They're just challenging it and not giving you a chance to explain or not even wanting to hear what you're trying to say. This movie does not just appeal to Christians. If you follow the news today and follow the debates that you hear today, it mirrors exactly what's going on. So I think that's where the relatability is, and it will hit some people home, especially a lot of Christians. It's going to hit home for Christians that have to deal with this. And then for people that seen Christians or atheists have these debates, it's actually going to hit home for you too. Just a quick synopsis, and you guys have seen this in the trailer. Melissa Joan Hart, she's the teacher that answers a question that the student asks. And when she answers the question, she gets a lot of backlash from people that aren't comfortable with sharing stuff. They don't understand what's going on. So they just assume the worst, and then they just move forward, prosecute, do this, do this, do this. This movie demonstrated where people should not judge a book by its cover. All the characters in this movie, this role was written specifically for them. I didn't feel that anybody was out of place. Everybody just connected. That's what makes it so relatable. And I know I keep repeating that word relatable, but it was for me, it was for the other 15 people in the theater, and it will be for you. This movie was not a hateable movie, it's a relatable movie. So as a critic, I rate this movie as a 4.5 out of 5 stars. Go to it, check it out, take your family, take your kids. It's a good family film that you guys will enjoy. So if you guys have seen this movie already or are going to see it this weekend, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys are expecting. If you guys have any questions, I'll answer, non-spoiler related. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys don't like this video, please still give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Until next time, speak your mind. I'll see you next time.